So I'm staying in Ottawa this week for a conference for 3 nights at the Westin. And one of the perks about Bonvoy Elite Platinum Elite status is that you can claim 5 nightly upgrade awards as a thank you for that, getting that status. So I did that on this trip. I claimed 3 of those nights since I'm going to be here 3 nights. And I booked just a regular king suite room, and I got an email yesterday saying that my award had been, I guess, granted. So they upgraded me to what they call the executive king suite with the Parliament view. So I'm going to take you on a tour and show you what they gave me. So check this out. So this is where you come in here. There's a closet here. I just have my suitcase and some stuff there. Ironing board. And then right to the left, there's a bathroom. Nice and clean, nice big shower. Here's the products. White tea with aloe extract. Nice big lit mirror. And here's the toiletries they give you. What's this? Mouthwash and some lotion. And then some soap. And then here's the mini fridge bar area, coffee area. Couple of waters. Let's see what they have in the mini fridge. Oh, it's empty, okay. A few drawers there. And there's a little desk area, nice big mirror. And then there's a king-size bed. Here's the view. So there's the Parliament buildings there, and there's the Chateau Laurier right there. They've got the street closed down right now. I guess there's a protest going on. The canal's down there. And then nice big TV. And that's not all. So it's a conjoined room. They give you this room too, which is amazing. I got like 2 chairs, and then I got a view down Sussex Drive down that way. And that's the Byward Market. Another TV. And there's like a couch, and I think that's actually a Murphy bed that folds down. And then another desk. And yeah, so then I go around here. I got another view. This is Rideau Street down there. And then over here, got another coffee station. And they gave me another bathroom. So this one's got a tub. I could take a soak if I want. And same sort of thing, same amenities. So I've never had a hotel this big before, and it's making me really thankful that I'm part of that Bonvoy points program. I've got 2 nightly awards left for this year, and I think they only last a year. So I'm going to use those later on this year. We're going to England, so I think we're going to try and use those on that trip. But anyway, that's where I'm at. So I hope you enjoyed the room tour.